Understanding, putting out feelers, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, putting out feelers. Have you ever heard someone use this expression and wondered what it meant? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to explore what it means, how to use it, and give you examples to help you incorporate it into your English conversations. Let's get started. Putting out feelers is an idiomatic expression used to describe the process of gathering information or gauging opinion in an indirect way. Imagine an animal, like an octopus, using its tentacles to explore its surroundings. Similarly, when someone puts out feelers, they are reaching out to others to learn more about a situation, opinion, or opportunity, without making their own intentions too obvious. This phrase is often used in both personal and professional contexts. For example, in a job search, you might put out feelers to see if there are any openings in your field without directly applying for a job. In personal relationships, you might put out feelers to see if someone is interested in going on a date, without asking them directly. When using this phrase, it's important to be subtle and tactful. The goal is to gather information discreetly. To help you understand better, let's go through some examples. 1. I'm thinking about moving to a new city, so I'm putting out feelers to see which areas are the best to live in. 2. Before launching the new product, the company put out feelers to gauge customer interest. 3. She's putting out feelers to see if any of her friends are interested in a weekend getaway. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various situations to explore options or opinions carefully. Be discreet and subtle in your approach. Use it when you want to explore opportunities or gather opinions without making a direct inquiry. It's a great way to test the waters before making a decision or taking a bold step. Putting out feelers is a versatile and useful expression in the English language, perfect for situations where you need to gather information indirectly. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how and when to use it. Remember, the key is subtlety and tact. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.